Today we drove to the city. We're in Prince George and we are here to check out a home show. Of course, it wouldn't be a trip to the city without some shopping, so we've already gone to Value Village, the Reuse building supplies store, and Dollar Tree, and now we're off to Winners, HomeSense, and Dollarama. Do you want to come see what we got?
But first, sometimes you just need to be a tourist because you know what? Life's too short not to have a little fun. Here's a little story about Value Village. So when we used to visit my grandma when we were little, she used to take us, and I thought it was the best thing. She called it Vivi Boutique, and it was seriously just so special. I even loved it as a teen, although I was secretly a little bit embarrassed inside, but I wouldn't admit it. But I still love thrifting. I love sharing that with my daughter, and I hope she always thinks it's cool. At Dollar Tree, I picked up these hanging baskets for a home doc project. Really excited for this one, so make sure to keep following because I can't share what it is just yet. Otherwise, we didn't really pick up too much at Dollar Tree, but I just love browsing, checking out what's new. I thought these would be cute for a little dollhouse, their little wood dresser and table. And then we went to HomeSense.
This is pretty. How about this? I know.
Lift it up. Look at all these lights. Are you guys ready to see what I got? Let's start with the Reuse building supply store. It's called Wall to Wall and it's on First Avenue. Definitely worth checking out. The only thing I bought was these 3 trowels. I may or may not use them, but I've been thinking about doing a workshop to make rhubarb stepping stones, so I bought them on spec. Next stop was Value Village, and you guys know I can't pass up a good basket. So I got this one for $2.50. I was so pumped about this one. It was also $2.50, super deal. And then this one, $2.50. And then this big one here, oh, I just love it. It was $6.99, worth the splurge. My daughter got some jean shorts for $2.99. And then I could not resist these, $3. I bought them for a friend. Not the most adorable thing you've ever seen. For myself, I got this linen dress. It was $17.99, but it is 100% linen, and I think it'll be perfect for in the summertime and spring. Miracle Berry is the brand. Next up, we went to Dollar Tree, and I got these 2 liners for these hanging pots for a home talk project. You're not going to want to miss this. I can't tell you what it is, so you just got to stay up to date. I also got a microfiber cloth from Dollar Tree. I'm not sure where that ended up, but I thought it would be handy for using in my Swiffer for cleaning the walls. It's not super good quality one, but I do throw those out eventually because they get pretty dirty, so I was happy to find that. At Winners, got these little sandals for my daughter. They were so adorable. $29.99. And then we really just got a bunch of gifts. We got this little sleeper for a baby gift. We got this green toys fairy. It's made with recycled plastics, it says. This is another gift for a friend for birthday. Got this candle for Mr. So Bright for Father's Day. I don't think he watches my YouTube videos. Hopefully he doesn't watch this one. He likes candles, so got him a candle. I also got this pot at Winners. I'm gonna replant my prayer plant. And at Claire's, we got this gift for another birthday gift. We stopped into Nest and Sprout. It's a really adorable little baby boutique. And we got these little boxers for my little guy once he starts potty training. We need to get on that.
We also got these glasses for me, the blue light, and I can watch TV with them, and they're very comfy.
Very comfy, very stylish. We're gonna go for supper now, and then we have a little bit more shopping to do tomorrow, some visiting with a friend, and we're gonna check out the home show. So excited for that, so keep watching.
You know what? They're gonna sell mini donuts. Mini donuts! Dun dun!
On the radio that they're selling mini donuts at the home show, so somebody is pumped. I went to university in Prince George, and as a student, this restaurant was fancy, but I loved it so much. So we'll see if it's as good as it used to be.
His favorite would be like that or Jake or something.
I thought long and hard about getting these boxes for the office, but I didn't. I also saw these mats that I've used for blinds for the windows that went viral on Home Talk, so go check those out. I got this from Amazon, and I've really been loving it. It's super handy. You can just hang it up wherever you go traveling, and yeah, it's got all the things.
What?
Let's go.
Oh, I love this stuff. Okay, hop in there. Cleanest porta potty you'll ever go in. I know, eh?
Beautiful. Good size, eh? You want to move in?
Okay.
I should probably do all this. I want more.
Okay, you guys, I did a thing. I never thought I'd buy one of these, but I thought it would be really handy when I'm out and about with the kids in the summer. This stuff looks so cool. Look at, they even have it in black. And I think it just kind of clicks together like tongue and groove. So you can make a really sweet feature wall. So here is the pine and the black fluted wall. And oh my goodness, look at these live edge boards. Woo. Oofda. Oh wow. Gorgeous. I didn't even know you could buy this at Home Depot. Okay, here's what I got at Home Depot. I got some more sanding blocks, some paint, exterior paint for the door. This was way cheaper here, so I got some more.
I need another one of those. I need some more sandpaper. This weather stripping was $24.99 here. I paid $40 in town. I'm sure it's the exact same thing. And then I got this. I might use it for the arch. A mat for the back door. And then I'm undecided. I might go get the black one. And then a bag of rollers as I go through those. Okay, here's what I got from Dollarama. I got this planter. It was $4.50, nice big one. And then I got this nice concrete pot, $3.50. Some Post-its. I love putting washi tape on packages that I send out, and I haven't had any for a while. This was $3. Some clear glue. I really like their foam rollers, and I'm out. I think they're $1.50 each. So I got one of those. I have one of these at home and I really like it, so I got another one for like an air plant or something, or probably a fake plant I'll put in there. I got some of my favorite acrylic paints. I thought this was really cute, just another like pull out last minute when mom needs a break kind of thing. And then I thought these were really adorable. There's 2 of them, so I might make a little craft with that. And yeah, that's it from Dollarama. Well, friend, we shopped till we dropped basically for 2 days, and we had so much fun checking out the home show. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to find out what we do with all the things that we bought. I just got busted.